everyone, hello, how are you? Today I have another unboxing video for you, and this is by far the most affordable yet cute advent calendar for 2021 that I have so far. Today I'm going to unbox together with you the Essence Advent Calendar 24 Sparkling Moments of Joy, and this is one of their free, if I'm not wrong, advent calendar releases for 2021. They have another two which are the type of a DIY advent calendar. I just unboxed previously the Catrice one, so if you want to see how it's the style of a DIY advent calendar, please refer to that video. I am going to have it linked and listed down below on the description box. But this is like a regular advent calendar. It's like a chest with drawers, and also on the back you have all the products that are inside and the description. And also what I loved so much, on each product it mentioned if they are vegan and also the shelf time. I thought that is genius. I haven't seen any other company doing this. This advent calendar retails for 24.99 euros. I purchased also mine from Germany, but as far as I know you can also purchase from Feel Unique and from cosmeticsforless.de. Those websites ship internationally, so I'm going to make sure to list them down below on my description box. But yeah, I'm so excited to see what is it inside. This is my first Essence Advent calendar and I'm loving the brand. Essence and Catrice are sister brands and are by far some of my most favorite makeup brands from the drugstore. We have 3 drawers. It will be a little bit of a challenge for me because I need to hustle for those. So, number 1, I'm going to ruin my manicure, which by the way, I'm wearing my SE Expressi nail polish that I've received in my SE Advent calendar. So if you are interested to see what other nail polish goodies I received from SE, be sure to watch that video after you see this one. So this is the Essence Luminous Blush in the shade. It doesn't have a name, so I suppose it's a limited edition blush. And it's really gorgeous, has stars to it, and it's pretty. It's a really wearable color and has a satin finish. So I think I'm going to love using this, especially because I don't have any Essence blush in my collection. Day number 2, it's also here on the first drawer. This is a lip balm. And look how beautiful it is, like a lavender packaging. And it has a, like, how do you say this in English? Not blackberry. Raspberry? No. I will put it on the screen. Searching for day number 3, which is not here. I told you this calendar is going to be a bit of a hassle. Why they are not in order? For the God's sake. Found it! I would say another blush. This is an eyeshadow base for an eye look that lasts longer than the Xmas night. Ooh, I never had a eyeshadow base from Essence, so I thought it's a highlighter. It's creamy, and of course you cannot see too much. It doesn't have any scent. Day number 4, it's also here. This is day number 4, something bigger. And we have a set of nail polish stickers. And I already have my nail polish done, my manicure, so those can be applied on the top of the nail polish and you have your nail art done within seconds without struggling. So really excited and looking forward. I actually used to have this kind of stickers and then I started to do my own nail art, but I think they are fun. Day number 5, it's also here. What is this? This is a lipstick. Whoa, the packaging is so cute. It's a matte lipstick in a very wearable shade. Ooh, this looks like so my type of shade. This is really similar with NARS Anita. And by the way, on my lips I'm wearing the Catrice lipstick that I have gotten in my Catrice advent calendar. This is in the shade 100 and is that gorgeous plummy shade that I thought is not wearable, but hey, look how beautiful it looks on my lips. Day number 6 is not here. I think I'm going to pull them out. Day number 6. Ooh, what we have here? What is this? It looks like a compact. Ah, it's a mirror. It's written here. And it's so beautiful. So this is a Essence mirror. I forgot to tell you that this advent calendar has also accessories, not only makeup, but you have already seen that. So I'm okay with that. Ooh, she has a very gorgeous pouch. I love that it has a pouch. And actually the size, it's okay. It's not that big, but it's enough to retouch your makeup. And I'm able to see that my foundation, it's a bit worn because I had my lunch and I ate my foundation. By the way, the foundation that I'm wearing today is this one by Wet n Wild, the Tinted Hydrator. Day number 7. And I assume this is a makeup brush. This is a brow spoolie. So I was partially right. She's shiny. And I do not have too many spoolies to begin with. Of course, it would have been even better if we would have in this end a brow brush, but hey, it's okay. Day number 8, it's here. It's a nail polish. No, actually this is it's like a base coat. And this is the size of the brush. Day number 9, I will say it's some eyeliner or maybe a mascara. This is a I Love Extreme Volume Mascara and I absolutely love Essence mascara. I have their pink one and now, oh my god, look at this brush. This is some brush. Oh, I don't think that I have something like this in my collection with such a big brush. So for my lower lashes, there is no chance that I can use this big brush, but hey, we can try it. Day number 10, something small. Oh, those are some makeup sponges or concealer. And I'm so big fan of concealer sponges, sorry. I'm such a big fan of concealer sponges. So this is yellow and the other one is pink. They are extremely soft. And they even have this flat side here. So looking forward to trying them. I think I'm going to do a full face. I think I'm going to do a full face of Essence makeup. Of course, after I'm going to do a full face of Catrice makeup. So stay tuned, guys, for those videos. Day number 12. Another small drawer. I think this should be a liner. And we have a black kajal pencil. Day number 13, it's here. And it's something big. Face jewelry. So it's the season to shine with this festive self-adhesive face jewelry. Create your own unique Xmas look. Okay, so after that you'll peel the jewelry and apply them on your clean and oily free skin and press down. So I think I'm going to have fun playing with this for sure. I'm going to use it in one, if not in more of my tutorials, because I'm planning to do some makeup tutorials for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. And also if you have some ideas for me, I'm open to hear that. Day number 14. Where are you? Day number 14 is this one, and this is another brush. This is a beautiful light purple, like a lilac packaging, and the brush is down. Oh, she's so pretty. This is a crease blending brush. Okay, they are shorter than their regular brushes or than regular brushes, but it's so soft And I do not have a blending brush from Essence, at least not at this size. So love it. Day number 15. I ripped the packaging. It's a nail polish. A very beautiful nude nail polish. Guys, I don't know how, but I skipped the day number 11. So day number 11, this is a moisturizing hand mask. So basically this is a hand cream. It's really lovely, very hydrating and rich, and it absorbs really well into my skin. I think this is going to stay in my car because I do not have a hand cream at the moment in the car, and I all the time need to hydrate my hands. But in the meantime, I don't like that kind of hand cream that it's so greasy and makes my hands feel slippery on the steering wheel. Where were we? We were left at the day number 16, which is this one. This is a nail file, very shiny nail file. It's coming with this lovely pouch and it's really shiny. I think my daughter will love it. I gave her another nail polish that I received in the ASOS adventskalender, and she's very fond of it because it is with pink, but doesn't matter. She's also attracted by glitter. Day number 17. This is a Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Gloss. It has a hole here and it's transparent, and it has a fruity scent. Day number 18. There we have it. I will say an eyeshadow. No! What is this? I think one is smaller and one is larger. You can customize them. I think I'm going to give one to my daughter and one I'm going to keep it for me. Day number 19. I will say another brush. This is a eyeshadow shader. Okay. So we have a blending brush, a spoolie brush, and now an eyeshadow shader. The same lovely sparkly handle, and I love this size of brushes. You cannot believe me how useful are they for blending, especially under my lower lash area. And by the way, to not forget, because I'm speaking about my eyeshadow, today I am wearing my Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette, the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity eyeshadow palette. It was released last year. Day number 20. Another lip balm. This time this is in the peachy pink and smells like peaches. I think I'm going to give one to my daughter. Day number 21 is on this position. Oh my god, what is this? This is a tiny lash curler. How cute is this? Okay, so it has a stopper here. You pull it and then on that stopper you press. Oop. It is quite small, so I'm not sure if it will work for my eye shape. I'm going to give it a go. Hopefully I will not lose some lashes because of this. But it's really cute, you cannot argue with that. Day number 22. I was not able to find it. It was here. And this is a glossy top coat. Only 2 days left. Day number 23. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is a brush cleansing little mat. So it's coming with this leaflet, and it's the first step towards a flawless Xmas look. Clean brushes. This is a brush cleansing tool. How sweet is that? So I think you can put water inside and clean your brushes. This is so genius. I haven't seen something like this. I have one, but not on this shape. Finally, day number 24. Excuse me if my hair is all over the place. Day number... something dropped down. Day number 24. It's small. This is a highlighter. Oh guys, and now I see that all those drawers had a coat. So this is Ho Ho Glow. And this is the highlighter. I also don't have any highlighter from Essence, and I know they are really good. And it's very creamy. So guys, this is all. There we have it. This is the Essence Advent Calendar, their 24 sparkling moments of joy for 2021. Let me know, what do you think about this Advent Calendar? I personally think this is a really good value for your money. You only pay 25 euros and I think you get a variety of products. I would have loved to get an eyeshadow palette, me personally, but I think we have a eye base and we have a blush and a highlighter that you can use on your lid. Nobody will stop you if you want to do that. We have a kohl pencil, we have a mascara, and we have a lot of fun accessories to play with. So overall, I'm really satisfied. I'm going to give this Advent Calendar from Essence a 9 of 10 rating. Now it's your turn to let me know in your comments down below, what do you think about this Advent Calendar? It is something that it will interest you, or you are just watching this video because you are an Advent Calendar lover like I am. All your thoughts and opinions are really welcome in my comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give it a thumbs up. It will really help my channel, and especially those Advent Calendar unboxings are really time consuming for editing. So I will appreciate your love and support. And also please share with someone who loves Advent Calendar unboxings and Essence cosmetics. Bye guys!
Okay.